Tongxiang Smallboss Special Plastic Products Cooperative Limited, established in 1992, is a national high-tech company specializing in the research and production of PVC granules, water treatment media, and plastic profiles. Scientific research and technology are our core. Technical personnel account for more than 30% of the total number of employees. The annual investment in technology research and development accounts for 5% of the annual income. Creating a professional research and development team. Constantly improve our own technology. Enjoy the process of sublimation of products in both hands. We pursue the perfection and unremitting pursuit of best quality. We put our imagination into practice and create more new possibilities. We follow the changes of the times and explore one new technical formula after another. Every production process is tempered, only for every product to achieve excellent quality. Every technological upgrade is only to keep pace with the changes of the times. We have more than 100 high-speed production lines, and the annual output of various products can reach 100,000 tons. Real-time inspection of products ensures consistent quality. The ace-shaped MBBR Media independently developed by the company, through the special road cavity cutting design, keeps the media with high specific surface area and avoids the shortcomings of traditional media, such as difficult fluidization and easy climbing wall, which greatly improves the use efficiency of the media. Through experimental tests, special polymer materials are selected as the main materials of the media. The MBBR media produced has the advantages of large specific surface area, good clear water property, and long service life. The special structure can support the median to withstand high-frequency collision and impact during aeration and keep the integrity of the road chamber. MBBR media is suitable for rural sewage treatment, municipal sewage project renovation and new construction, recirculating aquaculture wastewater treatment, livestock and poultry wastewater treatment, etc. Lamella is mainly used for sand removal, widely used in water supply and drainage engineering. Bioblock, as the carrier of special streams, can treat and degrade wastewater. It has been also widely used in circulating water culture. Adequate stocking quantity can meet the supply demand under any circumstances. We will continue to uphold the integrity best, quality, and customer first. Give the customers unanimous praise, and build a world-class PVC modified granule environmental protection water treatment median and plastic profile manufacturers. We have a complete sales system, and our products are exported at home and abroad. Smallboss is willing to work together with you to create a better future.